Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing my new Speedplay Powrlink power meter pedals. I really think the packaging here is looking quite nice. You've got a little flap that folds up, displaying the pedals there through the little window. It's got a little tray to pull out. And then inside the tray, inside the box is a top tray, cleats as well to go on the shoe, and a variety of other bits and bobs there as well. So first of all, we've got to get the old pedals off. We'll use a 6mm Allen key to achieve that, and then we'll get the new Powrlink pedals on the bike. I couldn't see anywhere on the new power meter pedals which one was the left and which one was the right, which I thought was pretty odd because you need to know to get them on the right side. And also the standard Speedplay pedals that I was replacing clearly have both the left and right indicated on them. Now that we've installed the pedals, we need to pair them with my Garmin unit. So we just need to move down to settings, choose sensors, add a sensor, and we know it's a power meter, so we go down to power. Go and rotate the crank arms again. That's woken it up. Select the new power meter. Back to add sensor. And there it is. So the Powrlink pedals appear there at the top of the list as a solid blue icon dumbbell. The other two icons are flashing because they're not accessible at the moment. So there we have the unboxing, installation and pairing of a set of new Speedplay Powrlink power meter pedals.